My Lord, the Election Commission sent letters to all political parties under Section 206 of the Election Act on 23rd February 2024. And on 26th February 2024, the Chairman SIC responded to this letter sent under Section 206, and that letter, my Lord...
What is 206?
My Lord, Section 206 says that every political party, to be exact, a political party shall make the selection of candidates for elective offices, including membership of Majlis-e-Shura Parliament and provincial assemblies, through a transparent and democratic procedure, and while making the selection of candidates on general seats, shall ensure at least 5% representation of women candidates. So they wrote a letter saying, please show us that you have complied with this provision. The reply from SIC, my Lord, is there in the CMA 5840 filed by the Chairman SIC. Page, my Lord, is 111. This is 5840 Part 1 in Civil Appeal number 333 of 2024. Page 111.
Ji.
Reference to letter number F6 dated 23rd February 2024 on the above mentioned subject, wherein the undersigned has been directed to submit the list of women candidates under Section 206 of Election Act 2017 to the Commission. The undersigned submits that since no candidate contested in the general elections 2024 on the symbol of Sunni Ittihad Council, therefore the list regarding women candidates does not exist, hence not submitted. My Lord, the applications of various parties for allocations of seat were heard by the Election Commission. An order was passed, which is one of the two impugned orders appealed before this Honorable Court. That is at page 68 to 89.
Did any of the parties file additional names against these reserved seats?
Additional names in what sense? Meaning
that the original list that they had given, that might have been exhausted and they filed additional names.
Your Ladyship, not that I am aware, the ECP will can inform your Ladyship, but insofar as I am aware, and the law requires that the list which is filed then cannot be changed.
The law gives the option or opportunity to file more names if you have exhausted.
If the list is exhausted. Yes. Now, if the list of any of the parties is exhausted and they have filed names, I'm not aware. The political parties.
So your clients who you are representing, they were on the original list of their party?
They were on the original list. Lord, and your Ladyship, the Election Commission on 1st of March 2024 unanimously decided that SIC, the appellant, was not entitled to the reserved seats for women and non-Muslims, and by majority of 4-1, it held that SIC was not entitled to the reserved seats.
1st of March, what's the difference? 4-1 and...
Your Lordship, 4-1, my Lord the Chief Justice.
No, what is the difference?
5-0, the result is that they are not entitled. 4-1, the result is that this can be allocated to other political parties.
And one said what?
And one said no, such allocation cannot be made. Yes.
And the High Court judgment?
High Court judgment goes with the 4-1 decision and with the 5-0 decision. On both points, the High Court judgment is against SIC.
And High Court is how many judges?
5 judges, my Lord.
I was surprised that neither Mr. Faisal Siddiqui nor Mr. Salman Raja attended to the High Court judgment at all. It was all ECP.
On 4th March, the ECP notified the returned candidates, some of which are now affected by the interim order of...
Was this prior to this notification? There was an earlier notification where ECP notified SIC as a parliamentary party.
My lord, I beg your pardon.
The ECP notified SIC to be a parliamentary party. Was that notification prior to this, or what's the date of that?
My lord, I am not aware of the notification. All that I am aware of is that SIC informed the Election Commission of Pakistan that a number of independents have joined it, which they are obliged
Mr.
to.
Bhushan, I think they've placed it on the record. There is a notification.
जी वो इनका लेटर है वो मैं आप
नहीं, notification ECP का है. Anyway, we can ask the ECP later. That's fine.
Lord, the ECP order is of 1st of March. On 4th March, ECP notified the returned candidates for the seats reserved. And the respondents before your lordship were so notified as well. On 14th March, the Peshawar High Court dismissed the petition by a short order. On 25th of March, the detailed reasons for the short
Short order is dated when?
14th of March, my lord. The detailed reasons are 25th of March, and the detailed reasons are at pages 20 to 51.